The Sound Sleep Dream Series luxury air mattress with comfort coil technology is here to deliver comfort and convenience like never before. In this article, we'll explore what makes this inflatable air mattress a top choice for both home and camping adventures. Unparalleled comfort with comfort coil technology. Sound Sleep has a reputation for producing air mattresses that prioritize comfort, and the Dream Series is no exception. It boasts comfort coil technology, which incorporates 40 internal air coils into the mattress's design. These coils provide superior support and durability, ensuring a comfortable and stable sleep surface throughout the night. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying the great outdoors, you'll wake up refreshed and well-rested. Built-in high-capacity pump for effortless inflation and deflation. One of the standout features of the Sound Sleep Dream Series air mattress is the built-in high-capacity pump. Forget about manually inflating your mattress or dealing with bulky external pumps. With this mattress, all it takes is the push of a button to have your bed fully inflated and ready for use in just a few minutes. The pump is also designed for quiet operation, so you won't disturb anyone during setup or deflation. Customizable comfort, double height and adjustable firmness. Not all air mattresses are created equal, and Sound Sleep understands that. The Dream Series luxury air mattress offers a double height design, which makes getting in and out of bed feel just like a traditional mattress. Additionally, it allows you to adjust the firmness to your liking. Whether you prefer a softer or firmer sleep surface, you can easily customize the mattress's firmness with the touch of a button, ensuring that it suits your personal comfort preferences. Queen-size spaciousness. This mattress is generously sized, offering queen-size dimensions that comfortably accommodate two adults. It's the ideal choice for couples, families, or anyone who enjoys a bit more room to stretch out while sleeping. The ample space ensures that you won't feel cramped, whether you're using it at home or in a tent during your camping adventures. Durability and reliability for home and camping use. The Sound Sleep Dream Series luxury air mattress is designed to withstand the rigors of both home use and camping trips. It features a puncture-resistant material that can handle the occasional rough surface without losing air. This durability ensures that you won't wake up in the middle of the night on a deflated mattress. Plus, the mattress's sure grip bottom ensures it stays in place even on smooth surfaces. Portable and easy to store. Portability is crucial, especially when you're camping or need an extra bed for guests. The Dream Series mattress is designed to be easily deflated, rolled up, and stored in its included carry bag. It's compact and lightweight, making it a hassle-free addition to your camping gear or storage closet. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.